Mom, did you hear that?
Hear what?
That noise.
It came from upstairs.
What was that?
Okay, found it. Every good mystery needs a flashlight.
Why do you need a flashlight? It's daytime.
Trust me, we're going to need it.
Dad watches too many detective movies.
All right, let's investigate.
Do you think something is inside?
There's only one way to find out. I don't see anything.
We have to go inside.
This room is way too quiet.
There it is again. Wait, is it a raccoon?
A raccoon.
It's definitely an animal.
Oh, it's a kitten.
Oh, what a relief.
She is afraid.
Hi, little kitten.
Be gentle, Nikki.
So, the monster upstairs is tiny and fluffy.
Hi, little one. Are you scared?
So, that was the monster upstairs?
Be gentle, Nikki. She must be scared.
So adorable.
I was ready for danger.
James, it's only a kitten.
Can we keep her?
Let's find out where she came from first.
But she is so cute.
I think Julie likes her.
See? Julie said yes.
That is not how decisions work.
So, should we keep her?
What name should we give her?
Tell us in the comments.
I hope you say yes.